Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how to make this DIY cork-shaped heart. So first we will start with everything that you need to make it. First up, you will need something to glue your corks to. I just used this little heart-shaped piece of wood that I got from Michael's. You will also need some corks. If you don't have a collection at home, you can also buy them online, or you can go to a restaurant or something like that and see if they have some that they can give you. You will also need some type of glue. I used a hot glue gun. And now I'm just going to begin sorting out the corks from darkest to lightest because I do want to glue them down in an ombre effect. And now we'll begin gluing them from darkest to lightest. I didn't really like how I glued down a couple of them, so I did try to pull it off. And as you can see, I did end up ripping the wood a little bit, but that's okay because I will be adding more corks right on top of that. I'm also adding glue on the sides of some of the corks as well, just so that they're extra secure and they don't move around or anything like that. And now you're just going to continue gluing them until you have covered the entire heart. This did take a little bit of time, so I did do it little by little throughout the week, and this is how it looks once I finished. If you do want to hang it up on the wall, then you will just need a little hook of some type for the back, and all I did was glue that down with the hot glue. And that is all for this DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.